Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching me from. This is Love Ada Family TV. Today I have come to discuss something with you. I watched a video, and this video I watched, I have been thinking about it and said, God, things is happening, and I want to encourage you. Maybe you are being discouraged. You don't go to church, you don't pray, or please, you better start. A woman who is selling restaurant, they are aware that she's selling restaurant. Instead of her to focus on her market, what she did was to start dating a guy of 25 years. Married woman of 50 years. Say that the husband walked away out of the marriage. Is that the reason why you mess up? If your husband walk away, can't you focus and start training your children? And you want to move on. You want to even say you have another fiancé who want to marry you. I don't know where she was be divorced. I don't know what some women are doing these days. Women are mothers. Mothers are pillars of the home. Mothers are the one that will show good character to their children. Mothers are the one that they are the pillar of the world. The whole world is looking at you as a mom. A mom don't supposed to misbehave. Misbehaving of a mom causes trouble in the society. That's the truth. A mother is a pillar. And this woman, okay, maybe the first husband didn't marry you, or he married you, he walked away. It's not a bad thing for you to get married. But how can you get married to 25 years old guy? And that's my question. I know some people will come here and tell me, age is just a number. That is why the things is getting worse. That is why things is spoiling today. Because we have not talked to tell ourselves the truth. All those children, 25 years, all those children, they are out these days. Do you know what the boy did? The guy wanted to travel abroad, so the woman was like a kind of motto that he want to use. He first of all take her pants and took it to a native doctor and do some things. Now, anything she asked the woman will give her. The woman giving her 3 million. He took her to a fake parents. What kind of world are we in? The boy wanted to accept that God helped this woman and they came to church. Who said that God is not in the church? There are still good prophets today. I want you to listen to this. There are still good prophets today. There are still good pastors today. That there are fake pastors doesn't mean that good ones are not there. Please. If your spirit or your mind is telling you that this thing, all these things we are talking is fake, please, it's not. Serve the Lord your God today. This woman trusted that boy blindly. Why the boy was using this woman as a ladder to climb. I want to tell you who's sitting down there. Maybe you have you have your own small boys. You have your own sugar boys. I want to tell you, you are a motto, they want to climb. You are a ladder, they want to climb. You better stop those rubbish. Things that is not good is not good. Things that is bad. Until you learn to do this. Until you learn to say no. I always tell you that, even as a boy, why will you go to your mom as friendship? Why will you go to your mom to marry your mom? No, it is unfair. It is just a number. Somebody will give you a gap of 2 years, 3 years. That's what is it. How can you go to your own son or to good relationship? Bring a good successful family. You want to help someone, help that person without thinking of what that person will do to you back. Every good thing you do today, there is in one way that you are going to repeat. Says by Love Ada Family TV.